Next year, the Voice of the Church radio station will expand and broadcast in both siSwati and English languages. This was revealed by the station's director, Reverend Zachariah Mtetwa.
The Voice of the Church radio station was established in 1995, and ever since it has been broadcasting in the siSwati language. As a way of expanding and growing, the station is integrating into broadcasting in both siSwati and English languages for the purpose of non-Swazi people who live abroad who listen to the station. The national director of the radio station, Pastor Zachariah Mtetwa, says for this vision to be a success, about 7 transmitters have to be purchased. It is for this reason that the station will be hosting a fundraising dinner to help them purchase the transmitters.
This is a way of expansion and growing as a radio station in Swaziland, because ever since we started in 1995, 20 years ago, we've been broadcasting under one channel in the Swati channel. And then now time has come for VOC to grow and actually expand into a second channel, which will reach out to English speakers only, because we have now Swazis who are academically inclined and we have non-Swazis who speak English only. So for Jesus is looking into VOC to say that reach out even to the non-Swati speakers. So this channel which is coming up right now will be focusing on English. So we'll have VOC 1 Swati, VOC 2 in English. So in this particular dinner we're raising funds to purchase about 6 or 7 transmitters which is strategically placed in the country to make sure we can broadcast from January in English as VOC.
Mtetwa says tickets are available at the Voice of the Church. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungilele Makakula with Smuva Shongwe in Manzini.